Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make HDFC credit card bill payment via HDFC mobile banking app. Open Play Store and you need to install this app, HDFC Bank MobileBanking. I have already installed this app. After that, click on open. If you haven't used the HDFC mobile banking app, you have to set the 4-digit PIN. After setting the 4-digit PIN, you have to enter the quick access PIN. After entering the PIN, you have to click on login. Here is the user interface of HDFC mobile banking app, and under credit card section you can see that there is the option credit card payment. Click on that. On this page you have to select your HDFC credit card. There are two options. One is the registered HDFC credit card and other one is the other HDFC credit card. I have already registered my credit card on mobile banking app, so I have selected registered HDFC credit card and click on continue. On this page it will automatically show your bank account and your credit card as well as your total amount due. If you want, you can select the minimum amount due or you can select any other amount. In this video I am going to show you how to make the total amount due. I am selecting last statement balance. After that you need to click on pay bill. On this page it will show the bank account number, credit card number and amount which you are going to pay. After checking all these details, you need to click on confirm. You can see that we have got a success message, transaction successful with reference number, amount and the amount from which money debited and credit card number and card type. That's it guys. In this way you can make your HDFC credit card bill payment via HDFC Bank mobile banking app. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.